अच्छा सुनो, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना और उसके बगल वाली घंटी को तो प्रेस करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना।
Hey guys, it's Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a haul which was much requested by you people. So yeah, I thought that I should sit and shoot a haul video which I recently got from Shivala, and I did a vlog too. So you can definitely go there and watch out. I'm going to link it over here. Yeah, you can go and watch that vlog too, and in this video I'm going to show you my all stuff that I bought from there, and also you guys requested for that Nykaa box I showed you in that vlog, and you guys too asked me to do a haul of that too. So yeah, here I am with this video, and in this I'm going to show you everything which I got from market, from Nykaa to both. I'm going to show you everything. So yeah, without any further delay, we'll get started, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. The first thing that I got from market was these earrings. I got some pair of earrings and one of them I'm wearing. Look at that, this is how it looks, and yeah, I liked it so much. मैंने ये purchase किया. ये देखिए ब्लैक है, बीच में सर्कल एंड दिस बॉल ओवर हियर. इट्स रियली क्यूट, मेरे को बहुत क्यूट लगा तो मैंने ये ले लिया. एंड देन आई हैव फ्यू मोर इयररिंग्स, दिस वन, और ये भी ब्लैक में ही है, बट लुक एट दिस हाउ क्यूट इट लुक्स, दीज पफ्स, एंड या इट्स सो क्यूट. मुझे ये भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था, सो आई गॉट दिस वन टू. And then I have another earring, उसके ही जैसा है, सेम बट कलर थोड़ा अलग है. या that was black and this is red, and I have this pair of earrings too. ये दोनों सेम है बट इट्स ओके, कलर डिफरेंट है. मेरे को बहुत क्यूट लग रहे थे तो मैंने ये ले लिए. And yeah, and which are hoops. I got these hoops. I love wearing hoops, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मेरे पास हैं बट थोड़े छोटे हैं, तो ये मेरे को काफ़ी बड़े दिख गए थे तो मैंने ले लिए. सो या ये सिल्वर में है एंड इसकी क्वालिटी भी ठीक ठाक है. एंड आई गेस दिस वॉज फॉर अबाउट 80 रुपीज़, एंड इट्स क्वाइट गुड यार. 80 रुपीज़ में और आप क्या लोगे. एंड लास्ट इयरिंग्स दैट आई हैव इज दिस वन. लुक एट दैट, इट्स सो क्यूट. ये देखो, मेरे को बहुत सारे सिमिलर कलर्स में मिल रहे थे बट आई गॉट दिस वन क्योंकि इसमें जो स्ट्राइप्स हैं वो ना कलरफुल है, तो आई कैन वियर इट विद एनीथिंग. सो कलर का इशू बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए था, इसलिए मैंने ये वाले इयररिंग्स लिए. ये देखो कितने क्यूट लग रहे हैं. लुक एट दैट, इट लुक्स क्यूट. So I have these 5 pair of earrings which I got from there. And the next product that I have is this sling bag. And look at that, it's so cute. This pearls over here. ये बैग मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम में बहुत पसंद है. एंड इसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कितना अच्छा है, ऑरेंज, पीच, एंड द स्पेस इज also so much. Here we have 3 pockets and spacious बहुत है. It's so cute, look at that, it's so huge and so cute. मेरे को फर्स्ट टाइम में बहुत अच्छा लगा था, so I got this one and this cost me for ₹250, and I guess इतने में इतना मिल रहा है यार, बहुत अच्छा है. It's quite obvious that quality उतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी because it's just for ₹250. And then I got these 2 micellar water from Garnier, and look at that, it's almost half, and I'm almost using this from a week now. I have a bleach kit, and this is VLCC Instant Glow Diamond Bleach, and this I got specially for my mom because she don't prefer going to parlor or salon. So yeah, this one is for her. So I don't have time to go there also, then I'm definitely going to try it out. It retained me for rupees, where it is written, dude, it retained me for rupees 110. Yeah, we have that cream, that bleach powder, that pre-bleach pack, post-bleach pack, and all that stuff. So last but not the least, from this vlog and my Shivala haul, I got these pair of heels, peep tops, bellies, whatever you can call them. And yeah, I got this. This was for rupees 545 or 549, I guess. I don't remember that exact price. And yeah, I got this one because it could match with any of my outfit, and that peach and black shade is amazing. So yeah, I got this one. And yeah, that's all I have from my Shivala shopping haul video. And yeah, if you want to check that my Shivala vlog, do visit here, it's linked there too. And yeah, that's all I have from there. Okay, don't go anywhere. I have my Nykaa haul coming after this, so stay connected. But guys, if you haven't entered my giveaway that's running on my channel, if you're not known about that, what are you doing, guys? Go check that out. Link will be in the description. Check that out. And it's 2 days left to go. It will end on 19th of April. Hurry up, must enter. And yeah. Okay, wait. We'll get started with that Nykaa haul too. Don't go anywhere. I'm just going to start that. So yeah, if you want to see what I have got in my Nykaa box, then please keep on watching. So yeah, now we are going to open this box and we get all that stuff inside it, and then we have this paper over here where everything is mentioned, what you have ordered, their prices, order ID, barcode number, and the prices, total amount, from where it has shipped, and all that stuff. So we have this here, and then we have this huge bubble wrapping, and then we have that all stuff inside it. So yeah, let's open it one by one. The first thing that I have is Kaya cleansing wipes, and I had that makeup removing wipes, but I haven't used any cleansing wipes till date. So I got these cleansing wipes from Kaya, and it is for rupees 125, and we received 30 wipes in this. And the other thing that I have is again from Kaya. It's Kaya Everyday Essential Hand Sanitizer. Yeah, and that we have this flip top opening. It was for rupees. It was for rupees 60. And then we have this Nykaa Blend Master Silicone Sponge. And Nykaa has a sturdy package in this pink and a cardboard box. It looks really cute, and we have that purple Blend Master over here. So if you want me to review it, please let me know in the comment section. And then we have this Nykaa paint stick, again from Nykaa, that sturdy packaging from Nykaa, cool looks. And yeah, then I guess Nykaa is having their birthday sale, so if you want, you can go and grab that awesome deals. And it is in the shade number 08 Purple Monster. Another thing that we have is this Nykaa Get Set Click Cream to Powder Compact. And yeah, we have this is newly launched from Nykaa. So I got my hands on this and will review it soon. So yeah, stay connected and do follow me on my Instagram for that updates. Links you'll find in the description below. So yeah, the next thing we have this. And the last thing that we have is this Nykaa Just Wink It Smoking Hot Wet and Dry Eyeshadow Palette. And yeah, this one is in the shade Smoking Hot. And yeah, again that sturdy packaging from Nykaa. And yeah, we have this. So yeah, that's all I have in my Nykaa box. And one more thing I received from Nykaa, that was my birthday gift. If you subscribe to Nykaa and if you're their Prime member and you mention your birthday date, year and month, then if you are ordering for the first time in that month, you receive a gift from Nykaa as your birthday. So I have received this handy pack. Yeah, this is how I got it. And yeah, ये आप देखो ये कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. And then we have this here. They have written Happy Birthday, Good Looking Nykaa Bribe. And yeah, ये खुल चुका है. So yeah, इसका quality बहुत खास तो नहीं है, but yeah, its quality is nice. I can definitely use it. And then we have that Ziploc bag, and the space भी अच्छा है. Inside we have that cute pink, and yeah, space स्पेस अच्छा है. You can carry out even heavy products in this. Palettes भी रख सकते हो आप if you want to. And yeah, we have that. Outer packaging is quite pinkish, baby pink color की. So this is the Nykaa gift that I received in my birthday month, and that's all I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's all I have. Also, don't forget to check out the awesome giveaway which is running on my channel, and it's about to end, guys. So hurry up. If you want to enter, do enter fast because it is going to end on 19th of April. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.